Have you ever wondered if you could turn those quick, fun videos on your phone into actual cash? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with YouTube Shorts. It's way easier than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to start earning money from your very own shorts. First things first, what even are YouTube Shorts? Think of them as YouTube's answer to TikTok and Instagram Reels. They're vertical videos up to 60 seconds long, designed to be super engaging and easy to watch on your phone. The best part? YouTube is pushing shorts like crazy right now, which means a massive opportunity for new creators like you to get discovered. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do you actually make a short? You don't need any fancy equipment. Your smartphone is all you need to get started. Open the YouTube app, tap the plus icon at the bottom, and select Create a Short. From here, you can either record a new video directly in the app or upload a pre-recorded vertical video from your phone's gallery. The YouTube Shorts camera has some cool built-in tools. You can add music from a huge library of popular songs, adjust the recording speed to create slow motion or time-lapse effects, and even use a timer for hands-free recording. There's also a green screen effect that lets you put any image or video from your gallery in the background. My advice: play around with these features. They can make your content stand out. Now, recording the video is just the first step. The real secret to success lies in what you record. What kind of content works best for shorts? The key is to be quick, catchy, and provide value or entertainment almost instantly. You have just a few seconds to grab someone's attention before they swipe away. Some of the most popular shorts categories include quick tutorials or how-to videos. Think how to tie a tie in 30 seconds or a 60-second recipe for a perfect omelette. Educational content or edutainment is huge. You could share a fun fact, a quick language lesson, or a surprising piece of history. Comedy sketches, relatable skits, satisfying clips like soap cutting or paint mixing, and before and after transformations also perform incredibly well. The goal is to create something that people will want to watch again or share with their friends. A pro tip for creating viral shorts: focus on a strong hook in the first 3 seconds. Start with a question, a bold statement, or a visually intriguing shot. For example, instead of saying, "Today, I'm going to show you a cleaning hack," start with, "You've been cleaning your microwave all wrong." See the difference? It immediately creates curiosity. Another important element is your title, and keep your titles short and punchy. Using a keyword-rich title can help the YouTube algorithm understand what your video is about, and always include the hashtag shorts in either your title or description. This is a direct signal to YouTube that your video is a short and should be categorized as such. You can also add a few other relevant hashtags, but don't overdo it. 3 to 5 is a good range. Okay, let's talk about the exciting part: making money. How does that work with shorts? There are a few main ways. The first and most direct way is through the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. To qualify, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours on your long-form videos in the past year, or 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. That 10 million views number might sound scary, but remember, shorts can go viral much faster than long videos. A single successful short can rack up millions of views in just a few days. Once you're in the YPP, you'll start earning a share of the ad revenue shown between videos and the shorts feed. It's a revenue sharing model. So, the more views your shorts get, the more you earn. But wait, what if you're just starting out and don't meet the YPP requirements yet? Don't worry, there are other ways to monetize. One of the best is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. For example, if you make a short about a cool kitchen gadget, you can put your affiliate link for that gadget in your video's description, pinned comment, or your channel's bio. When someone clicks your link and buys it, you get a cut. Amazon Associates is a popular and easy program to start with. Just make sure you disclose that it's an affiliate link to be transparent with your audience. Another fantastic method is selling your own products or services. Are you a fitness coach? Create shorts with quick workout tips and direct viewers to your online coaching program. Are you an artist? Show a time lapse of your painting and link to your online store where you sell prints. Shorts are an amazing tool for driving traffic to your own business. Brand deals and sponsorships are another huge income stream. As your channel grows and you build an engaged audience, brands will notice. They might pay you to feature their product in one of your shorts. You don't need millions of subscribers for this to happen. Even smaller channels with a dedicated, niche audience can land brand deals. The key is to create high-quality content and build a genuine connection with your viewers. So, to recap the monetization strategy, your main goal should be to get into the YouTube Partner Program to earn ad revenue. While you're working towards that, start implementing affiliate marketing. And if you have a product or service to sell, use your shorts to promote it from day one. Now, let's talk about consistency. The algorithm loves creators who post regularly. This doesn't mean you have to post 10 shorts a day. Find a sustainable schedule that works for you. Maybe it's 1 short per day or 3 to 4 per week. The important thing is to stick to it. Consistency helps build momentum and keeps your audience coming back for more. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try out different video ideas, formats, and styles. Pay close attention to your analytics in YouTube Studio. See which videos get the most views, the highest audience retention, and the most engagement. What topics resonate with your viewers? When are they most active? Use this data to refine your content strategy and double down on what works. One final piece of advice. Engage with your community. When people leave comments on your shorts, reply to them. Ask questions in your videos to encourage comments. This builds a loyal community around your channel, which is incredibly valuable in the long run. Viewers who feel connected to you are more likely to watch your future videos, buy your products, and support your journey. So there you have it. The complete guide to creating YouTube Shorts and turning them into a source of income. It all starts with your phone. Brainstorm some fun, valuable ideas, hit that record button, and stay consistent. Start with a goal of getting those 10 million views in 90 days to join the partner program. But don't forget to leverage other methods like affiliate marketing along the way. The potential is massive, and it's the perfect time to jump in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Now go out there and start creating.